Okay, it's me, Optimal Bryson, into Xbox, and I'm about to give you a tutorial to a level. It's called the cruise ship. It's called the cruise ship Donoca. Wait, let's see. What's this, a door? Looks like a bathroom to me. Oh, someone's at the door, I think. Someone's at the door.
Yes, what's going on?
Please stay in your cabin.
He's got a gun, it looks like.
Sir, stay. Anyone found outside their cabin can be shot.
Oh my. Doesn't look good. Definitely does not look good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes.
Mexican Coast Guard.
Okay.
Please stay in your cabin.
Well, if I want to come out, motherfucker, walk away from me, you stupid fucking... Go away. Fucking fat ass. Okay, well, obviously they're just gonna stand there like fuckers. Now I'm gonna have to try to outsmart them. That's my good smarts. Yeah, so they're just gonna stand there. What's on the tube? As close as a blade, with less irritation, apparently. Wow, it looks like something to yeah, it's kind of cool. It just doesn't do anything. Some bullets. Those could help me in the future. Those look like sticky shockers. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but I think that's a pretty good... I think that's pretty good detail. What do you think? Think that's pretty good detail? I think that's awesome detail. Okay. Let's go down here. Looks like we can go up here. So it's just... There we go. Okay, we're gonna crawl up the pole. I'll be careful. I'm a bit itchy about this. I see one in the room. It's a Coast Guard. Oh my gosh, there's a Coast Guard right there. Okay.
Be careful, Sam. The guards are concentrated in the casino.
Okay.
Sit in the shadows until it's safe to move, okay?
You're gonna give me orders every 10 feet.
Yeah, okay, so here we go.
Former boss.
Man, what a view! You gotta come take a look at this.
Mexican.
Working, man, you know, like you should be. Work and wait. You gotta see this.
I'm just gonna go to the other side.
Shut up already, will you?
Okay. There we go. Up into here.
Hang on. I think I know what I can do here. Let me buy you some time. I'll hack into the slot machines in the casino. That should get the guards' attention.
He ran over there somewhere, I don't know why. Okay, so we're gonna work this at him. And stupid guards, obviously. Gonna go under here. No, when you get your rifle, get out the... wait. Get out this one. Oh, that failed miserably. Oh, snap. I think you saw me.
We're gonna talk.
Yeah, right. Oh,
What's the Coast Guard doing here?
drug dealers.
Try again.
We got a tip that terrorists are going to set off a bomb. We don't know anything else.
I just lost you. I think the camera's buggy. They know about the bomb? But how? Someone must have tipped them off.
Hey. We can pick the lock on this thing. I'm a lock combo master, as I might like to call. There we go. Open the safe up. Okay. Looks like we got some stuff in here. Let's close that baby up. Use this computer.
Come on! What are you doing out there, Sam?
Hurry.
Now we're messing up both teams here.